Kutiwa bonanzi, ejuni. Bonanzi nani, ejuni. Bonanzi zona, ejuni. Bonanzi zona.
What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I go by the name of Vliga, and welcome to the vlog. In today's video, guys, as you can see by the title, we're starting a vlog at the Easy Build. Easy Build is a hardware maybe which is located at Los Treshat, Mercado. This is the branch here in Los Treshat. Yeah, and as you can see, as you saw, maybe we're buying a fireplace, also installing it, and also maybe calculating the cost of purchasing this fireplace. But yeah, guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please consider to do so. Subscribe to this channel, support the local YouTuber, and then if you're a return subscriber, thank you so much for returning. Yeah, so as I mentioned, today we're buying this fireplace. It's a Jetmaster fireplace that we're currently purchasing. Yeah, we're here at Easy Build in Mercado. Yeah, so the one that we're purchasing, this size of the fireplace, it's 1.2 meter, which is, yeah, it's quite big. It's big enough. It's suitable for the space. So there's a lot of space within this fireplace. So it's quite big, and it's very heavy. So buying this fireplace, and also since we're gonna be installing this fireplace at the ground floor, we're gonna be buying this Jetmaster pipes, which is the 1.2 as well. We'll be purchasing 4 of them, so to accommodate the double story as well, because the fireplace will be at the ground floor and going up to the rooftop. So on this section of the video, as you can see, we already purchased the fireplace. It's been delivered to the on the venue, which is the village house project. Yeah, as you can see, we already did fit it up to make sure that it fit the space which was reserved for it. So yeah, this fireplace, guys, is quite heavy. I think it's require about maybe 3 people for it to lift it up and also to put it here. So it's quite a heavy one. It's a pure steel. Yeah, it's very heavy. But yeah, so this is the fireplace. Yeah, it's being prepared, being loaded so that we can fit it and build on top of it.
Yo te emociono, más o menos, te lo compro.
Sechimeleta manje.
So no question. Lo que tenga la ya. Lo que tenga la ya, no mañana.
Oh, já tentei, oh, está
Se tema bilang rumah enggak ada apa nasi. Yena tirha
Namtweni kokwana. Baba bomiyela nje bona.
Swin'wana na mina. Aí fanele fita ala kun'wana le. So.
leyi n'wana leyi nga hansi leyi yi fanele nghena ka leyi kwihi mutini ngopfu humelelise ka yini se leyi hala yi nga a yi nga fanele nga hala leyi yi teke ya le a kwa ku kula
No, fanele mi
yo yi hayi hala bi
la ku ri hansi.
a ni foni ta ringana hinkwako nga tshameli maswoko maswoko swona xi xi hikokwalaho
Na wo ko tin mali sima so. Ko ndu ka ga tu
ani me vone leyi ku sungula leyi nga nghena hansi wale ku so
Ya ku
so. Ai fike imbala kahle imbala nhloko liya kahle. Yazi le sola mo anyulo so senza fuori.
shudu como u xi xuxelela ngopfu kule pe
Nga swa xikulu.
ma tirhisa leyi n'wana ni vona.
Lengwan.
Se la mi ta endlisa wena mi ta chela xilepe futhi la.
kwalana hale mahlweni ni ya sweswi nga teka swona va yi dzingani a kwalana a mitirhi swi nga na swona loko mo ka xibelana ni a xa tlhela no a xi nga ta vona a karhi vonaka a xi ya fela ndzeni
ta ku ri zama ku ni hundzula xilo xin'wanyana xi hundzuluka mo xi jikisajikisa xi karhi xi jikajika mo xi hundzuluxa xi spina swinene nga ku xo ba hi moya ya a cool kwala Okay, so moving on, I just want to explain maybe a bit part of the fireplace in terms of the cost. So the Jetmaster pipes, each the 1.21, it's 1,070 rand, and because we bought 4 of them so that they can accommodate everything. So in total it was 4,280, and then the total cost for the fireplace, excluding the pipes, it's 10,787. However, it was saying 2,000 on the it was saying 12,000 on the counter, but however, when we went to negotiate, they gave us a discount for about almost 1,500 for 1.3 of a discount. However, that's why the prices it went to 10,737. And then the delivery for this fireplace from Lostrashat to where I'm staying, which is Mahatlani village, it's 500 rand. So that was the delivery for the fireplace in overall. So the total cost for this, this is the total cost for the fireplace.